Hi, welcome to Kika. I'm your host, Michelangelo Barques. Now today, we're going to be doing the Woody Woodpecker theme. I just love cartoon themes. They have a major side to it, and it's very unorthodox. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with the bottom half of the B major arpeggio. So we're going to go down to the 10, 11, 10, 13, back to the 10. Two times. And then we're going to hit the 13 two times. 11, 10, 13, off the B to the 11. Now from there, we're going to do the major arpeggio again. 13 twice, 11, 10, 13. So this is what we got. The third one is we're going to repeat the first one, the first part. The fourth, or the finale of the ending of the woodpecker theme, is we're going to do our two arpeggios, and then we're going to go to the 13 twice, 15, 17, and then the 18. So this is what we got. Now if you want, you can end with the octave. Well, this is Michelangelo. I hope you have fun with that little melody. I certainly had fun learning it. Yeah, it's really a riot. Anyway, if you have any suggestions that I can do on my show, please write down right in the middle here. I normally get my notification instantly. Or you can write me in my email at SocratesBestFriend@yahoo.com. That's SOCRATES bestfriend@yahoo.com. This is Michelangelo Barques saying, I want to see your name in lights.